at laser technologies at our Pune Experience Center, and we are happy to partner with Aegis Air for industrial air compressor requirements, with our industrial machines, CNC machines. And it is very happy that we have partnered with us for this open house.
Today we are showcasing one of our units at the open house organized by Laser Technologies Private Limited at Chakan, Pune. And I'm proud to say that we are their air partners, helping them for all the laser application requirements. Whichever we are helping them with compressors, we are helping them with air receivers, air dryers, filters, piping, and a lot more to save on the energy. We have showcased our VSD compressor, which helps in saving a lot of power.